Imagine an AI that handles 245 million banking chats without leaking a single secret, or a model half the size of its rival, but still outsmarting it. That's not sci-fi. It's happening right now. Welcome to the wild world of AI news for April 2025. Today, we've got Wells Fargo's privacy-first AI crushing it, NVIDIA dropping a game-changing open-source model, and DeepSeek unveiling a trick to make AI smarter without humans holding its hand. These stories aren't just cool, they're reshaping how we live, work, and code. So buckle up, because we're diving into the latest AI breakthroughs that'll blow your mind. No fluff, just the good stuff. Let's go. First up, let's talk about Wells Fargo. Their AI assistant, Fargo, just hit a jaw-dropping milestone: 245 million interactions in 2024 alone. That's more than double what they expected. Picture this. You're on your banking app asking Fargo to pay a bill or check your last transaction. It listens, understands, and gets it done, all without a human stepping in. Since it launched, Fargo's racked up 336 million chats, and here's the kicker. Not a single piece of sensitive data has been exposed. How? Wells Fargo built a fortress around your info. When you talk to Fargo, your voice gets turned into text right on your phone. Then, their system scrubs out anything personal, like your name or account number, before sending it to Google's Flash 2.0 model to figure out what you want. The AI only sees a cleaned-up version of your request. Nothing more. Chintan Mehta, the bank's CIO, puts it simply, "We're the filters." Their internal tech does all the heavy lifting, processing, detokenizing, everything. So the AI never touches your raw data. It's like handing a chef a recipe but keeping the ingredients locked in your fridge. This privacy-first trick is why Fargo's exploding in popularity. From 21 million chats in 2023 to 245 million in 2024. It's a rocket ship, and Spanish speakers love it, making up 80% of its use since they added that option in 2023. But it's not just about keeping secrets safe. Fargo's part of a bigger plan at Wells Fargo. They're building what Meta calls compound systems, smart setups that mix and match AI models like Lego bricks. Need quick answers? They use Google's Gemini Flash 2.0. Coding something tricky? Maybe they tap Claude's Sonnet 3.7. Deep research? OpenAI's are 3 steps in. They're not tied to one model or one cloud. Google's their main squeeze right now, but Azure's in the mix too. One edge they're loving? Big context windows. Gemini 2.5 Pro can handle 1 million tokens at once. Think of it like reading a whole book in one gulp instead of flipping pages. That's clutch for tasks like digging through old loan files, which they're doing with a team of AI agents. Picture this. One agent grabs a 15-year-old document, another pulls out the key details, a third checks it against records, and boom, done. No humans slogging through paperwork, just a final check at the end. It's fast, it's smart, and it's why Wells Fargo's ahead of the pack. Oh, and speed matters too. Wayfair's CTO, Fiona Tan, chimed in, saying Gemini 2.5 Pro is beating Claude and OpenAI in latency tests. Plus, Google's slashing prices, $1.24 per million input tokens. That's a steal for businesses. Wells Fargo's proving AI can be powerful, private, and practical all at once. But here's Meta's big worry: power. Not computer chips, but actual electricity. He thinks that's the real limit holding AI back. Next, NVIDIA's dropping a bombshell in the AI world. Meet Llama 3.1 Nematron Ultra, a 253 billion parameter model that's punching way above its weight. Announced April 7th, 2025, this open-source beast is built off Meta's Llama 3.1 and tweaked by NVIDIA to outsmart rivals twice its size, like DeepSeek R1. Here's the hook. It's half the size, but still beats the pants off bigger models in coding, reasoning, and Q&A. How? NVIDIA's wizards optimized it to run lean and mean on a single 8x100 GPU setup. Think of it like a sports car that doesn't guzzle gas. This thing's designed to flip between 2 modes, quick answers or deep reasoning. Need a fast reply? It's got you. Solving a math puzzle? Turn on reasoning mode, and it'll think harder. On benchmarks, it's a champ. Take math 500-80% in standard mode, but 97% when reasoning's on. Coding, live code bench jumps from 29% to 66%. Even against DeepSeek R1, a 671 billion parameter giant, Nematron holds its own. 76% versus 71% on general Q&A. And it's neck and neck on coding. NVIDIA didn't just slap this together. They used a neural architecture search to reshape the model, skipping some attention layers, fusing networks, tweaking compression ratios. It's like giving the AI a gym membership and a diet plan, less fat, more muscle. Then they trained it hard. 65 billion tokens of knowledge distillation, 88 billion more of pre-training plus reinforcement learning to sharpen its skills. The result? A model that's not just smart, but efficient, ready for real-world jobs like chatbots, coding tools, or digging through data with retrieval augmented generation. And it's open source. You can grab it on Hugging Face right now. Play with it, tweak it, even use it commercially under NVIDIA's license. Developers get options too: toggle reasoning with a prompt, adjust settings for speed or accuracy. It handles 128,000 tokens at a go and speaks multiple languages: English, Spanish, Hindi, you name it. NVIDIA's betting big on this. Alexei Kuchayev, their AI post-training director, says it's built for the future, balancing power and practicality. Could this be the model that makes AI accessible to everyone? Let's see what's next. Last up, DeepSeek's cooking something wild in China. They just dropped a new technique called self-principled critique tuning, SPCT for short, that's making AI reward models smarter and scalable without human babysitting. Reward models are the unsung heroes of AI. They judge how good an answer is and nudge the system to improve. But here's the catch. Most only shine in narrow zones like math or coding, where answers are black and white. For messy, open-ended stuff like creative writing or customer chats, they flop. SPCT is here to fix that. Here's the gist. DeepSeek trains their model, DeepSeek GRM27B, to make its own rules and critiques on the fly. Say you ask it a tricky question. It doesn't just spit out a score. It generates principles, like be clear or stay relevant, then critiques its own answer against them. Phase 1, they fine-tune it to get the format right, tossing out bad tries. Phase 2, reinforcement learning kicks in. It learns from simple rules like, did I pick the better answer? And sharpens up. The cool part, scale it up, run it multiple times on the same question, and it churns out different principles and critiques. Then, it votes on the best reward, like a mini AI council. To dodge junk ideas, they add a lightweight meta RMN to filter out weak critiques before the final score. Result? DeepSeek GRM27B beats bigger models like GPT-4.0 and Nematron 4-3 40B on diverse tasks. More compute, better judgment. It's like giving the AI extra coffee to think harder. And there you have it. AI's latest and greatest for April 2025. Which one blew your mind most? Drop it in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe for more AI news that cuts through the noise. See you next time.